Welcome to Artville at Home. I'm Miss Grams. I'm so glad you've come to see our dinosaur adventure today, because today we're going to dive into Dinosaur. Now, Kathmandu is very interested in dinosaurs because, I think dragons and dinosaurs are related. They've got a lot in common. So Kathmandu is watching what we're doing over there and all the pangolins and all the creatures over there. Oh, I think there is a dinosaur already in Artville. Look at this little character. Very colorful. We're going to make our own dinosaur dough today. This is a little bit like when we made volcanoes, except we're using salt. I've already measured the salt. 1 cup of salt. And now I'm going to add the flour. Flour. Shake. 2 cups of flour. Don't worry about the recipe, because I'll put the recipe in the YouTube description, and I'll put it in Seesaw. If you're watching this in Seesaw, I'll put it in Seesaw, so you don't have to remember the exact recipe. So I've got a cup of salt. Now the water. Now the important thing with water is, and this has a little oil in it too. I'm going to get that in there. Oh, I hope it's not too much. If you have too much water, the dough gets very goopy. Oh, this feels like a lot of water. Ooh. And the dinosaurs fall over. So I'm hoping this is just the right flour. This is kind of a fun part. This is very squishy. If you're somebody who likes to do clay projects, you're going to love this because it's super squishy. It's a little bit like making bread, if you've been making bread with your grown-ups at home. In fact, I tried making bread dough dinosaurs because I thought it would be fun to bite the head off a dinosaur. So this is my bread dough dinosaur. You can try that. It's a little spiky and funny. Oh, there's his head. There's his face. You see his little eyes and his nose. Bread dough dinosaurs are kind of strange. This was, can you guess what kind of dinosaur this is? It's a pterodactyl. So that's my bread dough dinosaurs. Oh, it's getting good, this dough. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Ooh, nice. Now, if it didn't feel quite right, you could add a tiny bit more water, but this dough is great. This is perfect. So now, you just have to decide what kind of dinosaur you're going to make. Some dinosaurs are on 4 legs, some stand up, but you know what a dinosaur is really? A dinosaur is a reptile. And all reptiles, guess what? I don't know how big I want to make it. All reptiles start as an egg. So if you make an egg shape right now, that could turn into any dinosaur. I think I'll make the 4-legged kind. Okay. To make 4 legs, I'm going to roll out a coil. This is just like clay. If we make clay projects, you remember how we do with clay. You can roll out a coil. This is going to be a 4-legged dinosaur. Here is my tool. I'm going to make 4. There's 2. This is a little bit of art math. Okay, 4 legs. Now to get them to stick together, you know how in art class we use that special clay glue called slip? For bread dough dinosaurs, or for these dough dinosaurs, you just need a little bit of water. I put a little bit of water on all my legs, and then I could stick them onto the dinosaur like that. Is that the right end? There we go. I can shape the legs a little bit more. And this will work, the same way of making a dinosaur will work whether you're making it with your homemade dough, or if you decide to use the kind of dough that you can buy. You can also use that. That's how I made that little pink guy over there. So now I've got my dinosaur here. He's already started, but what does he need? He needs a head and a tail, I think. So I'm just going to roll a tail shape, like a carrot. Okay. Now, if he sticks up like that, that's pretty hard to do. The dough's not going to want to do that. This tail is going to be dragging on the ground like that. He's going to be dragging that big, heavy tail. Ooh, that's a big one. I think I'll give him a tailectomy there. Cut a little bit off. Oh, this is going to be, now I need to get a head on him. And think of what dinosaur you're going to make. Are you going to make, I think this one I made, I think this is a triceratops with that thing on it. Oh, that was a good kind to make. You probably know more about dinosaurs than me. I don't know what kind of dinosaur this should be. But I do know I want some spikes. Now I can just squeeze up the spikes like that. Like that. It's so squeezably soft, this dough. Just squeeze those spikes. There they come. There he is, my little dino. Now I think a head spike would be good too. Just pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, like that. Now I think I want him to have like an open mouth. He's opened up his mouth. Stick the little spoon in there. Oh, there he is. He's got his open mouth. And I like the googly eyes on the dinosaur. I think they add a lot of little personality. So I'm just going to roll these little balls. Remember, just like with real clay, you've got to put a little water on them like a little glue. Ooh, that's a ginormous eyeball. And then, don't forget to dot your eyes. Give him a little eye hole there. He's got a nose hole here, a nose hole there. And of course, I would put an eye on the other side too. Okay, I'm going to do that quickly. Now, remember, it's a reptile, so you want to have those, it's a little scaly. Like if you made a pangolin, remember how scaly is the pangolin? You could add a little texture to your dinosaur like that, okay? Now, he's getting a little bit droopy. If that happens to you, you can find, oh, I don't know, sometimes just a little piece of paper or a wad of paper towel to stick under there while he dries a little bit. That will help. Okay, now I wanted to show you how to make a standing up dinosaur because they're a little bit tricky, but it's the same basic thing. You start with an egg, okay, and then for the standing up one, you can do a lot of different, well, you just stand the egg up like that. He's got to have his two big legs on the bottom, and I just stick him on like that, sort of. I forgot the glue. A little bit like that. So then he's got those big legs on the bottom, like that. He's not exactly standing up on them, but he will be stronger like this if he's just kind of like that, sort of like on his haunches. Here's his big carrot tail, a little water on there. There, he's got his tail in the back. Ooh, this is like a T-Rex, so he's got to have big, sharp claws. Oh, did I forget the head? Oh, and remember, he's got the little tiny arms like that. There he is, his little tiny arms like that. Oh, what's missing? The head is pretty important, right? So here, he's got to have his head, his great big scary head. It's just kind of like another blocky, sort of an egg shape. Stick it on there. Oh, he's a big head. That's a very nice big head. And he's got to have it open. Now, I don't know if, well, maybe you could make a few teeth. I don't know. I think it's kind of hard to make teeth. You can try it, okay? Like that. Now, what you're going to do is let them dry a little bit. Oh, see, this guy is sagging already. He needs to have a little bit of support. What you can do is stick something under him. I'm just going to spare a little piece of my grocery bags, which I use for every single thing. There. If you stick that under his chin for a little while, he'll dry like that, and then you can bake him in the oven, okay? Because I baked these guys, and what I wanted to show you was you can paint them. The cool thing about making your own dough is that you can paint them. Now, this is some paint I made before. It's just water and a little food coloring. This dinosaur is going to be kind of red. And, oh, look at that red. It's just food coloring. It's a perfect paint for a dinosaur. So you can paint them all kinds of colors. And, Mr. Bobby, how are we doing on time? So I'm going to finish painting this dinosaur a little bit later. Oh, you can see, oh, what a good color for a dinosaur is that. I will paint it and finish it, and I'll put the picture somewhere else so you can see it, okay? I hope you have so much fun making your dinosaur sculptures, because that's what they are. It's a dinosaur sculpture. So have fun. Bye.